We are doing October-November 2014 A-Maths Paper 1, question 7. In this question, we are given this diagram, and we are told that the x-coordinate of A is h. That means A has the coordinate h, and the y-coordinate we need to find. Okay, and we are told that this line here is parallel to the y-axis. That means this is a vertical straight line. And since this is a vertical straight line and we know that the x-coordinate of A is h, that means this x value here is h. Therefore, this vertical straight line has the equation x equal to h. If you are not familiar with this, it means if we have a vertical straight line with the x value is 1, this equation of this straight line is x equal to 1. Similarly, this straight line right has the equation x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 and so on. Since we know that this x value is h, this vertical straight line will be, the equation of this vertical straight line will be x equal to h. Now to find the coordinate of A, we just need to solve the simultaneous equation of y equal to 2x and x equal to h, because A is the intersection between these two lines. Similarly, to find the coordinate of C, we just need to solve the simultaneous equation of this and this, because C is the intersection of these two straight lines. Okay. Let's find the coordinate of A first. Okay, I've written down the equation of this straight line here, the equation of this straight line here, and now we're going to solve the simultaneous equation. I'm going to substitute x equal to h into this equation. Okay, this will give us y equal to 2 h. This is the y coordinate of A. Therefore, the coordinate of A right will have the value of h and 2h. Next, we are going to find the coordinate of C. Again, I've written down the equation of this and the equation of this, and we are going to solve the simultaneous equation to get this intersection point. Okay, I'm going to substitute equation 2 to equation 1. So the x will take the value of h. Okay, this is the y coordinate of C. Now the x coordinate of C will be this point here, h. Okay, so and the y coordinate is half h. Therefore, we have the coordinate of C, which is h half h. Next, we are going to find the coordinate of B. We are told that this line here is parallel to this line. That means the gradient of this line BC is the same as the gradient of this line y equal to 2x. And we know that the gradient of this line here is 2. Okay, y equal to mx plus c, so the m is 2 here. And since this line is parallel to the line y equal to 2x, so the gradient of this line BC will give us the gradient 2. The question says this line here, the line of AB, is parallel to the x-axis. That means the y-coordinate of A and the y-coordinate of B will be the same. Okay, because this is a horizontal straight line parallel to the x-axis. Okay, and the y-coordinate of A we know is 2h. That means the y-coordinate of B is 2h as well. Okay, now okay, that means we need to find this x coordinate here in terms of h, and we know that this y coordinate of C is half h. Okay, now we have 2 points here, 1 point here and 1 point here. If we have 2 points, we can use formula of gradient to find the gradient of this line, and we know that the gradient of this line is equal to 2. Okay, then from there we can form equation and solve for the value of x. Okay, let's do it. So we have these 2 points B and C. To find the gradient BC, we just use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1 divide by x2 minus x1. Our aim is to find the value of x. This x will give us the x coordinate of B. Okay, and this gradient, right, this gradient is actually equal to 2. So from there we solve for the equation 2h minus half h equal to 2x minus 2h. Okay, so again, we are trying to solve for x. 2h minus half h is 1.5h plus another 2h will be 3.5h. So 2x is 3.5h, or x equal to 7 over 4h. That means the coordinate of B is x take the value of 7 over 4h, and the y coordinate of B is 2h. So we have the three coordinates A, B, and C. For 7 part 2, we are given that h take the value of 4, and from there we are going to find the trapezium, the area of the trapezium OABC. Okay, let's find out the value of each coordinate first when h is 4. When h is 4, that implies that the coordinate of A is 4, 8, B will be 7, 8, and C will be 4, 2. Okay. The area of the trapezium OABC is given by this formula. When we use this formula, the coordinate has to be in the anti-clockwise direction. So we start with a coordinate O first, O followed by C, B, A, and it must end at O. O coordinate of C, 4, 2, B, B here, which is 7, 8, then A here, which is 4, 8, 4, 8, then it must end at O. Okay. We follow the arrow to multiply the numbers together. So this is 0 plus 32 plus 56 plus 0. Minus away sum of the product of the purple arrows, which is 0, 14, 32, and 0. If we work out this result, this is 88 minus away 46. So this will give us 21 unit square. Okay, so the area of OABC is 21 unit square. Okay, please visit this website if you like this video.